I push. Push the button on accident. This is 3:18 a.m. So to answer your questions, put in the comments and I'll answer your questions. Yeah, if you put in the comments, I'll answer your questions for the next video, podcast, whatever. Comment, like, subscribe. Turn my post notifications so you never miss the podcast. G-Dog.
New shit! Ayo, D Grub!
What this? Supposed to go to. Dang it. Don't know what to do.
New shit! Ayo, D Grunt, let's go!
Day one music.
Look at the watch. I say it's time to get it. Pull up on the block. Alright. Now let's get down to business. What you worried about? Little nigga, mind your business. Once I'm moving, I'm out. Yeah. They cannot find a nigga. City behind us. They wonder how we did it. Been out here grinding. Shall I remind you niggas? Get to them dollars. You might be shining with us. Haters behind us. Why they hoes riding with us? Pressure applying. I know you gotta feel it. Shall I rewind it? Just to remind you niggas.
Day one fucking gang, nigga. Freshest nigga in the universe. I drop it back just to do it first. She threw it back like I threw it first. Yeah. Don't gotta ask if it's cool with her. It do not matter like who we learn. I don't know what I'ma do with her. Yeah. Pay back on a nigga, but I'm around with that 30. Lean back on a nigga. I give him 30 for 30. Where I'm ballin' on these niggas. I need a 30 for 30. Shots falling on these niggas. I keep a 30, I'm Curry.
Trap with all my woes, spent them racks for all my clothes. In the back with all my hoes, got a Mac for all my foes. Stacking all my gold, practice all night long. Faxing all my flows, that is all I know. Then it's back to the door when I wake up in the morning. Sleeping on me might not wake up in the morning. Think it's a dream till I wake up in the foreign. Getting money, how you hate a nigga for it? Probably cause these niggas faking hella corny. I bust a shot and I ain't gon' give a warning. Bro would do it just to say he did it for me, yeah. I set examples for these niggas. They be biting, I'm the apple for these niggas. Man, look what happened to these niggas. Say they bosses, no one answer to these niggas. So I got some questions for you. Do you feel this pressure on you? Do you feel like you catching the blues? Do you feel like you destined to lose? Coming from me is no less than the truth. Seeing me then you catching the view. Hearing me, that's a lesson for you. More for me and the lesson for you. I'ma take it all, the rest is for you. Never dozing off, the rest is for you. We gon' take it over, it'll take a second. We gon' take it home, never taking second. In the kitchen cooking, I've been making records. Doing what they couldn't, I've been breaking records. When I drop this, break the record. Day one just for the record. Trap with all my woes. In the back with all my hoes. Stacking all my dough. Faxing all my flows. That is all I know.
Civic. Later. Утро. Прошу, Peace.